we're going to be focusing on monitors. So a monitor is a primary output display for a computer. Okay, so there's 4 different types of monitor which we're going to be looking at. So the CRT monitor, which is this one here, LCD monitor, which is a flat screen monitor, the IPS monitor, another flat screen, and the LED monitor, again it's a flat screen monitor. So let's look at the first monitor. So its use is the primary output display for computers, and normally a desktop computer. The advantage is it's cheaper than other monitors and can be used with light pens. However, the disadvantage is the size is much bigger compared to the flat screens, requires more desk space, could be a safety hazard if not correctly supported. The resolution may not be as good as the other monitors. So this monitor is used more so now compared to the flat screen monitors. The flat screen monitors are a better alternative these days for a primary output display for a computer. So the first flat screen we're going to be looking at is the LCD monitor. So it's taken over from the CRT as the primary output display for computers. It's smaller and lighter, so less desk space is required, consumes less power and does not generate as much heat as CRT monitors. More expensive compared to other monitors, so it's obviously going to be more expensive than a CRT monitor. The IPS LCD monitor is used by creative professionals, so professional graphic artists. This is probably the most expensive type of monitor. Color reproduction is better than any of the other monitors. So this one will be used by professional graphic artists. You've got LED monitors, which are generally used outdoors, in store signs, destination signs and billboards due to their level of brightness. So the advantage being the brightness levels, which improves the color definition, can be used outdoors in different types of light. Okay. LED are also energy efficient and can last a long time. So again, it will be more expensive compared to, for example, the CRT monitor. Okay, so the touchscreen doubles up as an input as well as an output device. So the touchscreen is a computer display screen and it's also an input device. Users can interact with the screen by using their fingers or special stylus pen. So you will find a touchscreen on mobile phones, tablets, terminals, at POSs, banks or stations. So there's no need for an additional input device, there's no need for additional buttons. The menus and the interface generally very easy to use. You can zoom in and zoom out. Rotation is also possible. The disadvantage is the screen could become damaged, dirty, less visible. It could be difficult to import high volumes of information compared to using a keyboard. Now, multimedia projectors are used when projecting signals from various computers or TVs onto a larger screen. So the obvious example is in a classroom to project the content from a teacher's computer onto the large screen, which can be shown to many students at one time. In offices for training or presentations, in a home cinema system. So it's able to project onto a big screen, allowing more people to see the output. Users can gather around one screen, main focal point in a classroom. Disadvantage is the output resolution may not be the same quality as other devices. Obstacles could affect or block the projection, and it could be expensive to buy